All right, let's go back to our quiz questions. Suppose the world had a multitude of different languages. How many, though, of those languages would have limited vocabulary, a limited grammatical system? How many of you say half? Please stand. How about 1/4? A third? Yeah, these are the answers right here. You're saying 1/3? Okay. How many feel D? None. Thank you so much. It's okay to be different, and it's good to have a different answer every once in a while. So it's all good. All right, so the answer is 0, D, none. Yeah, that's true. Think about language, and let's think about American Sign Language. If we look back to the 1930s, when we had William Stokoe, before he did his research, how hearing people described sign language. It was gestural, it was broken English, it was described as something simplified, weak, less than, but it's obviously not, and I'm telling you today that it is not. It is a complex language, but many people don't know that. And often people will go to, say, another country, maybe on an island, and they may start to study their spoken language there. And they'll say, oh, this is a simplistic system. The poor people there, they don't have any words to describe things. There's no microwave, there's no electricity, there's no this, or that. No. They're fine. They're able to communicate about everything they need. And most often their communication or their vocabulary may be more complex than we may even experience. There are different ways to experience and describe snow and fish and trees. So again, a language can express anything that is needed to be able to be expressed. It's not less than, it's not a simplified system or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead and challenge you.
Oh, were you saying that it means that it is less than or that it isn't?
What I'm saying is that a language, you're able to discuss any concept or any idea. And you lead to an interesting point. If we talk about it being a small vocabulary, what does that exactly mean?
It doesn't necessarily mean that that language is less than, even though it has a limited vocabulary. So, for example, like words in Russia are very long, complicated words, or even Romanian words are very long and complicated compared to the words that we use here in the States.
He has an interesting point.